here to develop our STEM project named Eco Capsules. What is this project about? Here we are going to create self capsules that has mouthwash inside of them. This to prevent the consume of plastics that are ending up with our planet. So we want to decrease the production of them and help our planet.
Plastic is a wonderful material. It is used for a lot of things, such as containers. But why do we say that plastic is wonderful? Well, it is lightweight, it is resistant to corrosion, it has thermal and electrical insulation properties. But plastic also hurts our environment. How? It takes to plastic about 500 years to combine once more with the environment. So it finishes in the street, it finishes in landfills, or even in the ocean. Plastic is a main cause why the animals of the ocean die. That's why we base our STEM project in the plastic pollution. We want to develop an alternative to the plastic that is ecological, that doesn't hurt so much our environment as the plastic does. Even the plastic sometimes is born and it increases the problem of the global warming. So we're gonna show you how do we want to do our STEM project, the Eco Capsules.
To do this experiment, we will need 2 containers, a mouthwash, calcium lactate, sodium alginate, 5 spoons, and a mixer.
First, we need to add 4 cups of water into a container. We already have it.
Then we have to add a third of a spoon of sodium alginate into the container.
And then we need to mixture them with a mixer. In the other container, we need to add a 1 cup of mouthwash. Then we add a half teaspoon with calcium lactate in the container and mixture until it dissolves. We need to mix them. We already have both mixtures. We need to take with a spoon the mixture of water and sodium alginate and immerse into the other mixture. This project helps to eliminate the pollution caused by the excess of plastic in our daily lives, eliminating the plastic used in mouthwash with eatable spheres with mouthwash. I collaborated in this project explaining some steps to release the spheres.
In conclusion, I think that our experiment was very helpful because it helped us to decrease the amount of plastic that can increase the pollution. But the results wasn't what we expected, so we're gonna try to do something better. Well, for this project, I helped telling the materials and helping with some steps of the process. It didn't work, but we did the best.
In the 1950s, more than 8 billion metric tons of plastic have been created by humans. Most of the material now resides in landfills or in the natural environment, such as the ocean. The researchers also found that by 2015, humans had produced 6.3 billion tons of plastic waste. Of that total, only 9% was recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% was accumulated in landfills or in the ocean. If we continue contaminating the environment, our planet Earth will be literally covered with plastic.
I think if all the planet do things like this experiment, we are going to have a clean planet.
or simply we are going to have a planet not contaminated at all. We failed at the moment we did the experiment because the composition of one of the mixture don't act like as supposed it have to react. But now we are gonna try to do the same experiment, but now we expect it works. I helped to develop the
We
experiment.
made this project because we wanted to help our planet and reduce the consume of plastics. So we wanted to create an alternative way to sell the mouthwash. But when we were trying to do it, we realized that the mixture cannot be done because of the properties that the mouthwash has, so we couldn't make it. And I helped in contributing this project, making an introduction and helping to make the steps of the project, and also trying to investigate which ones were like the matter and the substances that we needed.
The purpose of our project is to reduce the production of plastic in our environment and to replace these residues with a more eco-friendly alternative, such as a container that can be edible. This way, we will not have to throw away the plastic containers that we normally use in our daily lives and help our planet. In the beginning, we wanted our STEM project to work because we think that nowadays it is really important that we start taking care of our planet, but it didn't work because the materials that we used to make our project and to form the containers, they didn't work together, and the substances that we used didn't react as we were expecting them to do. So next time we are planning to do a lot more research about substances that actually work together and can form the containers that we are expecting to do. And also in this project I collaborated on doing and explaining the purpose of this STEM project, and I also did the research about the properties of the materials that we used to create these containers.
I think that our STEM project is a pretty good idea, but well, it didn't work right now. We think that it is because the properties of the mouthwash had something to do with the reaction of the sodium alginate and the calcium lactate. So we will do a deeper research about the properties of the mouthwash and how it interacts with this type of reaction to solve this problem. I helped in the development of this STEM project by doing a little introduction about the plastics and how they affect our environment.